Hey, guys. Hey, can you guys all look at me and listen?
What?
Well, now that Annie's birthday's over and Halloween's over, we thought we'd tell you that Daddy and I have been planning a vacation
Yay! Where?
to
Disneyland?
Walt Disney World.
Nice!
What do you think?
What's this?
It's just an ornament. And this.
Guess how we're gonna get there? Guess how we're gonna get there?
How?
Airplane.
Oh my gosh!
And guess what?
What?
We leave in just over a week. A week from Saturday.
Are we gonna,
Is that?
Is it on spring vacation?
No, you guys will miss a week of school.
A whole week? Yay! Well, we must have spring
You'll have to make up your homework. So we'll
What are these?
This is a book all about Disney. All about all the fun things that we can do.
You can ride on that, which will be awesome. You can ride on roller coasters.
What's this?
So maybe every
get
day
to
we can
watch-
look at
you
some
get
of
to
the things
watch
you can do.
That you get to go
And this,
on there.
you each get your own. And this is an autograph book. And if you want, you can go talk to all of the characters and they'll sign your book for you.
You're allowed to.
You just say, can I have your eye?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, can we
Look
open
how
it?
big it
As long as you're very, very
And
careful. Let's
you-
just open one. I think it's
One.
just.
And Drew, one, a human would be this